Okay, so while I have this 2018 Niro, which I installed that remote starter in, which is, I'm gonna do the door mirror. Can't be any easier. No way, Jose. Pop this guy off. We're gonna do the door mirror. I use my handy dandy butter knife because we're gonna do the door panel next. But before we do that, we're doing the mirror. So, pop her off. 310 mils. There's no way you can mess this up. Let me take it off to make sure this is it, and we'll see how easy this is. Pop this clip off. We'll make sure this is the right way to do it. So, hang tight. Yep, definitely the right way to do it. And the only thing holding it in is this guy. It's actually a good idea. It helps you snap it in place so it doesn't fall on you. Good idea. So to really get it out and to change it, those three, 1, 2, 3, unplug her, perfect. Squeeze this guy, get her out, and the whole thing will just pop right out. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.